Mysore Chef, and today we are once again in another place. It's called Biryani Factory, and this is in Nagar, BEML Layout. So we have come here to taste the biryani. It seems the biryani combos are pretty good, and there's a lot of reviews over here on Google. So I saw around 4.2 or 4.4 is the reviews, which is kind of excellent. And also there's a lot of raves about the biryani. So let's come here. So since we come here to Biryani Factory, let's taste the biryani. That this restaurant is open from Tuesday to Sunday and Monday is a holiday. I feel because most of the people in Karnataka do not have non-vegetarian food on Mondays. So that's why they have kept this as Monday as a holiday. Also I wanted to tell you that home delivery is available and they deliver within a radius of 3 to 5 kilometers. Also, this place is famous for their combo biryanis, where they give Biryani Rice, Mysore Chicken, Guntur Chicken, as well as Raita. So this is a combination they are famous for. And today we're going to have the combo biryani once we enter into the restaurant. Who's the owner of this restaurant, and he's going to show us what are the dishes that he gives for the combo biryani, which is the most famous biryani.
Hello, my name is Mohan. We have 3 types of combos. Right now we gave a biryani combo. In that full rice will be there, and one piece biryani piece will be there. This one is Guntur 2 piece will be there, and this one is our hotel special Mysore Chicken.
Okay.
This will be 2 piece will be there, and Satya Kabab, and this will be 2 piece will be there, and the price is 151.
Super, very affordable then. Right. It is very affordable. And also the lovely smell of biryani is really tempting. Sir, I just taste and see how this is. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
So we are just arranging a food. You get fresh vegetables, carrot, you get cucumber, onions, and of course, so let's taste it. So we're going to taste the biryani. Let's taste it. They made it with the small rice or the jeera rice, just to give an extract. This gives a superb taste to the biryani, I suppose. When you have the biryani, the colors come into the mouth, and it's a lovely taste of masala with a blend of rice. Superb. Let's taste our chicken. This is a chicken. Well cooked. Masala is blended well in the chicken to get a lovely taste. So let's have a kebab. Blend of salt with the kebab. Superb. And let's taste. This is the Guntur chicken, and let's taste it. Masala come out superb, very tasty, nice, warm, and little spicy. But it's superb. So let's taste the next chicken. This is the Mysore chicken. The different flavors with hit your mouth. Amazing. Worth the dish. 150 rupees is really worth it. You should definitely come here. This is the bill for the 7 biryani combos that we have packed, and it came to 1070 rupees. We spoke to a customer to find out his feedback about this Biryani Factory restaurant. So how did you come to know about this place?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಯಿತು ಸೊ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ
You will come here. Excellent. So
ಕಾಂಬೋ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸಮೇತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬೋಗೆ ಗುಂಟೂರು ಚಿಕನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ನು ಕಬಾಬು ಮತ್ತು ಮೈಸೂರು ಚಿಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀರು ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ.
superb. Thank you very much, Dosa. Thank you. Well, we had a good time in this biryani restaurant called Biryani Factory, and really enjoyed a delicious combo biryani. It was super duper tasty. In fact, the smell as well as the aroma of the food was really tempting, and I just really fell for it. So if you like our video on Biryani Factory, do come over here, and also we'll enter the address in the description section below for you to, if you come over here, you can check out this restaurant. And also please just be informed that Monday is a holiday, so just don't come here on Monday. But rest of the day is open. It's a very lovely place. It's a very cozy environment. It's a good family restaurant. So if you like our video, please like, share, and comment on our channel. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. Until the next video, take care, stay safe. See you soon. Signing up from Biryani Factory. Bye bye. Come home. It was a lovely time, and enjoy the food at Biryani Factory. And also I have bought some parcels for the folks at home, and this is my 2 parcels that I have bought. The food is nicely packed and it's warm, also with the rest of the ingredients, the rest of the side dish like the chicken kebabs as well as with the Guntur chicken, etc. So this is our food that we have got it parcel. I'm going to share it with my family, and I'm sure they're going to enjoy it. So if you like this video, do give your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget about it, and also subscribe to our channel too. Once again asking you, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and watch our entire videos in future too. Take care, bye bye, and good night.